So let's read this question. A variable plane which remains at a constant distance of 3p from the origin cuts the coordinate axis at A, B, and C. Show that the locus of the centroid of the triangle ABC is x to the power minus 2 plus y to the power minus 2 plus z to the power minus 2 is equal to p to the power minus 2. So key concepts that are involved in this problem. So the key concepts involved are the distance of a point from origin and equation of the plane. So if we know how to calculate distance of a point from the origin and we also know how to write the equation of the plane, we can solve this problem. So we know that let us assume that the plane, let P be ax plus by plus cz plus d equal to 0. This is a plane, alright, and we need to calculate the distance of the point A, which is given to be, rather distance of the point, let's say q, and the coordinates of q are given to be x1, y1, z1. So it is evaluated as distance of pq is equal to modulus of ax1 plus by1 plus cz1 plus d upon under root of a square plus b square plus c square, and इसका modulus. All right, and the equation of any plane, the equation of any plane can be taken of the form, can be taken of the form ax plus by plus cz plus d equal to 0. So if we take such an equation, it would represent some plane. All right. Problem, we have been given that distance from the plane is of origin is given to be 3p. So we'll assume the plane to be ax plus by plus cz plus d equal to 0. So इसके ऊपर अगर हम डिस्टेंस फॉर्मूला यूज करेंगे तो हमें मिलना चाहिए कि 3p is equal to modulus of a times 0 plus b times 0 plus c times 0 plus d upon under root of a square plus b square plus c square. राइट, और यहाँ से हमें मिलेगा कि 3p होल स्क्वायर इज इक्वल टू डी स्क्वायर अपॉन a square plus b square plus c square. दिस इज आवर फर्स्ट इक्वेशन. ऑलराइट, और ये जो प्लेन है उसके जो एक्स वाई जेड कोऑर्डिनेट्स होंगे, और रादर हमें जो यहाँ पे बोले गए ए बी सी, सो लेट ए बी द कोऑर्डिनेट ऑन एक्स, और वो होगा कि मैं y और z के इसमें 0 डाल दूंगा तो मुझे x का कोऑर्डिनेट मिलेगा माइनस डी अपॉन ए. सिमिलरली b होगा कोऑर्डिनेट ऑन y विच इज माइनस डी अपॉन b, और c होगा कोऑर्डिनेट ऑन z एक्सिस विच वुड बी माइनस d अपॉन c. यहाँ पे हमें ए बी सी एक्सिस पे जो कोऑर्डिनेट्स मिल चुके हैं, तो उसका मतलब है पॉइंट ए इज माइनस डी अपॉन ए कॉमा 0 बी, पॉइंट बी इज 0 माइनस डी अपॉन बी कॉमा 0, and c coordinate is 0 0 minus d upon c. All right. So this is our coordinates. So अगर मैं ट्रायंगल बनाऊं ए बी और सी से, so हमें पता है कि सेंट्रॉइड कैसे, सेंट्रॉइड ऑफ ट्रायंगल x1 y1 z1 comma x2 y2 z2 comma x3 y3 z3। लेट्स से कि ये तीन पॉइंट्स एक ट्रायंगल बना रहे हैं, तो उनका जो सेंट्रॉइड होता है वो होता है x1 प्लस x2 प्लस x3 अपॉन 3 कॉमा y1 प्लस y2 प्लस y3 अपॉन 3 कॉमा z1 प्लस z2 प्लस z3 upon 3. So this is our centroid. The centroid of ABC would be minus D upon A upon 3, comma minus D upon B upon 3, comma minus D upon C upon 3, which is minus D upon 3A, comma minus D upon 3B, comma minus D upon 3C. This is the coordinate of centroid x, comma y, comma z. All right. Locus of centroid निकालना था, मैं कह सकता हूँ कि as x is equal to minus d upon 3a, it would directly mean that 3a is equal to minus d upon x, which would mean that a is equal to minus d upon 3x. So this is what you obtain. Similarly, we will have b equal to minus d upon 3y and c is equal to minus d upon 3z. All right. Here x, y, z are coordinates of centroid, so as to find its locus. All right. Now हमें एक इक्वेशन मिली थी, वो थी 3p² इक्वल टू डी स्क्वायर अपॉन ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर प्लस सी स्क्वायर। यहाँ से हम कह सकते हैं कि एज 3p² इज इक्वल टू डी स्क्वायर अपॉन ए स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर प्लस सी स्क्वायर, this as 1 upon 9p square is equal to a square upon d square plus b square upon d square plus c square upon d square, which means 1 upon 9p square is equal to 1 upon d square times a square plus b square plus c square. And we already have our new values of a, b, c, which are d upon 3x, minus d upon 3y, and minus d upon 3z. So using this, we'll have substituting. Let's call this all three combined as equation 2, and we'll say substituting equation 2 in 1, and we'll have, rather, let's call this as 3. This is not 1. All right. So we'll have 1 upon 9p square is equal to 1 upon d square. The a square plus b square plus c square would become d square upon 9x square plus d square upon 9y square plus d square upon 9z square. D square are all common, so this equation will become 1 upon 9p square, and the d square will cancel with all the d square, so as to give us 1 upon 9x square plus 1 upon 9y square plus 1 upon 9z square. Again, 9 are common in all the denominators over here, and on the other 1 upon p square is equal to 1 upon x square plus 1 upon y square plus 1 upon z square, which would imply that x to the power minus 2 plus y to the power minus 2 plus z to the power minus 2 is equal to p to the power minus 2. Hence proved. right? I hope you understood it well, and best of luck.